Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom and welcome everyone to this presentation project-based learning matrix web-based rental computer application. On this presentation, you will know what is matrix and why matrix is important to internet cafe business. Allow me to introduce the team developer of the matrix. Miss Cyntia, Lasmi, Andesti serve as project managers, while I, Nasrullah, serve as team leaders. And Arabella, Maya, and Salsa Putri serve as team members. The problem I talking about the internet cafe that's not popular they can be, because the internet cafe they looks kind of outdated, old-fashioned, or not digitized. Before you think about the internet cafe, you can reservation the computer you want to play before 1 hour you arrive to internet cafe. So sometimes when you arrive on the internet cafe, you can rent the computer you want or all the computer on the internet cafe, because the someone else have to be rented before. And you ask, can I know the computers will I want to rent is available or not, or can I reserve the computer before hours I arrive on the internet cafe? Another problem about internet cafe, you can managing your internet cafe in remotely. You can managing your internet cafe in another place, your home. You can. And another problem, internet cafe has the outdated payment system. They can use a debit card, credit card, trace, or any payment. All this problem can be solved with this one app. That app is Matrix. So what is Matrix? Matrix is basically a website you can reservation your computer. You can have the payment digital system. You can managing your internet cafe remotely and professional system.
Okay, for the next is functional requirement. So for the functional requirement, we are designed around 15 requirements, including login process, account management, computer rental, until reporting. All features are made to match the needs of user and warnet admin. Next. For the non-functional requirement, we are focused on 3 main points. For the first, the code must be well structured and easy to maintain. And the next, the interface language must be consistent, using only one language. And for the last, user interface must be user-friendly.
On this slide, I'm gonna explain our use case. There are 2 main actors in our system. The first one is pengguna warnet as the user, and the pengelola warnet as the administrator. User can register an account, log in, and manage their profile, such as updating their account, changing their password, and adding a profile picture. User also have the ability to search for computer and see the list of available computer. On the other side, the administrator. The administrator can do account management, like banning or deleting user account, and they also have access to computer monitoring feature, which help them manage computer usage in a real time. And this feature ensures that users have full control of their account, while administrator can keep the system safe and under control. Next. In this diagram, the pengguna warnet or the user can top up the token which are used to rent computer and receive a PIN access for the security, and make a payment through the integrated system. And then user can view their payment and rental history, and on the admin side, or the pengelola warnet or the admin can monitor all the transaction using all the top-up monitoring and the rental monitoring feature. And finally, the user can log out or exit the system when done.
Okay, this is diagram entity relationship. Based on the previous use case diagram, the system includes main process such as a rent, top-up, and data management. This process requires structured data storage. Therefore, the database is designed using an entity relationship diagram, which represents key entity and their relationship according to the use case needs, so that all system operations have a clear and normalized data structure to rely on.
Okay, on this slide, I'm gonna present the black box testing result of our application. Here are 4 main test scenario. First is login with valid credential. The system successfully logs in and redirect the user to the dashboard. And the second is renting a computer. The computer is successfully rented and the status is updated. And the third is making a payment. The payment process works properly with the pay now button. And adding a new computer by admin, the admin successfully adds the new computer and it's displayed in the list. All these test cases have been successfully passed, which prove that our system works as expected and is ready to development.
Contribution member. Our team divided the work in the planning, analyze, design, front-end, and back-end. We all work together on the project title, lesson plans, wireframes, category page, and main feature like share UD, login, and registration.
That's all the presentation of the Matrix web-based rental computer applications. I'm so sorry if we have the mistaken on this presentation or the mistaken about the bug or not expecting in this application. You can give us suggestion on our personal chat, or you can direct message on our Instagram at matrixpolibatam. So thank you to watch our presentation and see you to another project. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.